I have an Ariens snowblower with a JQ-170-2 starter. The electric motor spins but does not engage the flywheel. Is there a simple test or do I need to replace it?
Have you replaced parts of your Ariens snowblower before? If so, how long ago?
First time. On this machine. I have taken the starter off the machine.
How long has this been going on with your Ariens snowblower? What have you tried so far?
I have powered the starter on the bench. The motor spins but the Bendix gear does not stay in outward position where it would engage the flywheel.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Can't think of anything else.
If you can get the gear and spring you can replace it. Sometimes you can't get separate, if not you will need starter.
I can't separate due to corroded screw. Are you saying problem is gear and spring? Both are moving freely.
Can you move the flywheel by hand? If so, spring not strong enough to engage.
Engine flywheel moves freely. Replace the starter.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.